We're approaching a roundabout to take the first exit. On approach to this roundabout, there's no direction board. For the first exit, it's always safe to assume it's a left turn, regardless of the direction or the placement of the exit. So even if the exit was at, let's say, 1 o'clock, it'd still be classed as a left turn. We'd check the centre, left door mirror signal left, and we'd stick to the curb as we'd be needing the left lane to approach the roundabout. As we approach, we need to observe to the right, ahead, and to the left. We need to continue our observations, but make sure to alternate so you don't lose your road position. Now we've exited the roundabout, check the centre, right door, left door mirror, and keep moving.